Hello and welcome into the Purple Penguin Craft Room. We're gonna do something fun with purple trees, you guys. Purple trees. I've got two of them. They're from Dollar Tree. And we are going to just take them apart. They have the legs at the bottom and all the things. We're going to take that apart. Already done that to one of them. This piece, the top piece is usually folded up. You just gotta straighten it out and you gotta fluff them. By the way, I'm Vicky, and this is the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Thank you for stopping in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do all the things. And you can definitely, you can see the next video when the next video gets posted, and I also go live. So, we're going to just take these. We're going to be making a swag. We're going to be making a swag, so I just kind of want to take these. We're going to put something here in the middle. This is going to go here in the middle. So I want to go ahead and I want to put them as close together as possible. We're just going to take, this is a 20 gauge floral ribbon, or wire, sorry, floral wire, 20 gauge. And we're just going to wrap it around to hold it together. It helps if you take pliers. Now, we're going to put this piece of wood is going to go right here for our centerpiece here. This is just something I got from the Dollar Tree a while back. Sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't. But you can put whatever piece you want. I just wanted something long and oval for my decoration here. We're just going to take these off. For this, we're going to just take some of our Waverly Antique Wax and give it that stained look, so it's kind of a darker. This is just a baby wipe. Okay, we're done with that. So it was that, and now it's that, which is nice. It's still a little damp, so it will lighten up more. So we're gonna let it do that. Meanwhile, I want to be able to get this onto here. So we're gonna take our floral wire, again, the 20 gauge floral wire, and I went ahead and I already cut it, one piece in half. So I want to be able to go like this. Just take our little stapler. You could glue this too if you don't have a stapler. You could just glue these. So putting some glue on it probably wouldn't hurt either, to kind of help get it to stay a little bit. So we're going to bring it back in. We're going to center it in our piece here. Flip it over. Then if your extra wire pieces, tuck back in. That way they don't stick out. So for decorating on our piece here, I've got these bunnies. These were from Dollar Tree. They were, I guess they're called wood ornaments. So they got a hole in them. I have 3 of them here because they're really super thin. So I want to glue them all together. We're going to glue them all together with our tacky glue. You don't have to put a lot, just enough to get them to glue together. This will just make our bunny thicker. So how cute is that? He's going to sit right here. Super cute. All right. Now, he's got this hole in his ears. I'm going to go ahead. I want to fill that in before I paint him. We're just going to take, this is some lightweight spackling. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. This will just kind of help hide his hole. You could also fill it with hot glue too if you wanted to do it that way. We're going to paint our bunny in light buttermilk. which is just an off-white, basically the same color that the wood is, basically. Okay, so he's all painted now. We'll let him sit there off to the side for just a second and let him dry a little bit. I also want to decorate my little piece with these little carrots. We're just going to do this in jack-o'-lantern. After the orange is done, now we need a carrot top. Right, so we're going to do the color classic green. Right, after the carrots are done, then we put those off to the side, and then I've got the little laser cut Happy Easter. I kind of got him, Hobby Lobby had a bunch of little laser cut wood guys to go together. We're going to do him in a purple. It's going to be a purple cow. So I wanted a light purple. Now that we have all of our stuff painted, I want to go ahead with our antique wax and just kind of grunge them up a little. So not a lot, just to kind of give them a little bit of something. I almost forgot. I was going to do a little bit of pink in the bunny ears. We're going to use cotton candy. Right, we're going to bring our piece back in. You can see it's a lot lighter now. It's way lighter. All right, and then we're going to put our bunny right here. Our little Happy Easter is going to go right here. And then our little carrots are going to go off to the side here. So cute. And we're just going to tacky glue them on. I kind of want to add a few more things. I've got a bunch of these little foam eggs. And all we're going to do is we're going to stick some wire. This is, again, floral wire. This is that ribbon-wrapped floral wire. And we're just going to stick them in the eggs. These eggs are from Hobby Lobby. And we're just going to plop them in there. All right. Last but not least, we're going to put this purple bow underneath. And we are going to call that good. Like, how cute is that, right? Ready for Easter, to go above a doorway or a mantle or a picture frame or anything like that. Super cute. Keep on coming back for more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.